today's video on this channel is going to be a clean and decorate of my kitchen because honestly it is a disaster. I didn't quite get to it yesterday. I had some things come up, but hey, that's life. So we're gonna tackle it today. Today's new Christmas cleaning motivation video is packed full of holiday decor. I am definitely going to be doing some Christmas decorating. My kitchen is lacking when it comes to Christmas decor, so this video is definitely going to have some Christmas decorating in my kitchen, and there's also of course going to be tons of cleaning inspiration as well. I originally had this new Christmas clean with me video up on my channel in 2022. So originally it was a 2022 Christmas clean and decorate, and I wanted to get it back up for you guys because this video is packed full of Christmas cleaning and decorating inspiration that is perfect for Christmas 2024. The decorating in this video at the end is so cute, and of course my kids were helping in this video and they are absolutely adorable as well. So I think you guys are absolutely going to love this Christmas clean and decorate video. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I have been seeing a ton of Christmas cleaning and decorating videos up on YouTube, and I am so inspired and motivated, and I cannot wait to put up some new Christmas clean and decorate with me 2024 content for you guys. I have said in my past videos that I'm definitely doing a lot of Christmas cleaning right now and getting everything prepped and ready for Christmas this year, but I have not actually started doing any kind of decorating. But I do want to still give you guys some Christmas clean with me content that you can definitely get inspired, especially if you are one that loves to decorate early for Christmas. And I know there are a ton of people out there that love to do that. Me personally, we usually decorate around Thanksgiving. That's just kind of how we've always done it. But I definitely do still want to give you that inspiration. So I hope today's video gives you tons of Christmas cleaning motivation, so you can do your own Christmas cleanup along with me. I think my favorite thing about this Christmas cleaning video is definitely deep cleaning my sink. I just find it so satisfying, and I feel like that's probably my favorite thing to do whenever I'm cleaning my kitchen is deep cleaning my sink, because I know that the dishes are done, and I feel like that's the biggest thing in the kitchen that needs to be tackled usually. So once I start deep cleaning my sink, I can kind of breathe out a little bit because I know that it's done and my kitchen for the most part is clean. Let me know down below in the comments, what is your favorite thing to clean in your kitchen? Before I can add any Christmas kitchen decor, I definitely wanted to make sure all of the appliances and countertops were wiped down. My kids love to help when it comes to this kind of stuff, especially when it's wiping down the appliances in the kitchen or doing any kind of cleaning like that. And they also love to contribute to decorating. So of course they were super excited to do some Christmas decorating in here in the kitchen as well. So after we got all the appliances wiped down, they went ahead and helped with that as well. When it comes to any kind of Christmas decorating or decorating in general, I love to keep it very simple. So I only had a few fall decor items in the kitchen. So I went ahead and took those and put those away. And then we jumped into decorating. I love this Happy Holidays sign. I actually picked this up from Goodwill a couple years back, and I use it pretty much every single year. I added a little bit of greenery. I don't know what it is about greenery, but it can just make any decor piece pop. And so I just thought this was perfect for this Christmas decorating theme that I kind of had going on in the kitchen, the Happy Holidays, woodsy kind of theme. And then I added a few of these cute little gingerbread men to the side of the signs. And like I said, I just felt like it was the perfect, simple Christmas decorating area in my kitchen. When it comes to Christmas clean and decorating videos and content, I love to keep things super simple, especially when it comes to decor. I just feel like if I add too much, it can get a little bit too busy and too overwhelming and look a little too cluttered. So I love the simplistic looks and adding just simple decor pieces in some areas. In some areas, I feel like a little bit more decor is better. So it just kind of depends on the area. But like I said, in the kitchen, I definitely wanted to keep it very simple. And so I just went ahead and added a few simple decorative pieces for Christmas. I went ahead and added a little bit of this deco mesh. I just kind of feel like it was perfect to add to this little plant. And then of course I just added a little bit of the white flowers to it. I guess these are like holly flowers. I'm not even sure if they're like hollies or poinsettias or what exactly you would call these little white flowers, but I just added a little bit of those to my greenery that I already had, and I just felt like it really gave it that extra pop for Christmas. Of course, as you just saw, I added a cute little snowman rug to the floor in the kitchen. And then I finished off my holiday decor in the kitchen by adding some more white deco mesh to this cute little greenery area, along with some Christmas ornaments. And I wrote Merry Christmas. I just loved how this cute little DIY project turned out. I just felt like it was the perfect touch to finish off this Christmas cleaning and decorating in my kitchen. And I do hope you guys got tons of Christmas cleaning and decorating inspiration. And maybe you have your own ideas for some DIY projects. Of course, adding some picks and berries would be perfect to these little decorative pieces as well. But let me know what your favorite thing that you saw in today's video was, and let me know what you are planning to do in your kitchen, what decorative pieces you're planning on using or inspiration you're planning on using down below in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.